visuals of the Home Minister on the screens currently. He has reached, he's entering the hospital premises. You can see that the medical team is already there at the gate waiting with in fact information to brief him and update him. As we were earlier speaking as well, definitely he has also pointed out to the possibilities of terror attack as well. So grievous situation. As we were discussing earlier as well, today Chandni Chowk was closed on account of being a Monday, but it is a festive season. As Madhav was pointing out, a marriage season is on the peak, and that's why a lot of people are also out and about generally. A weekday we have peak office traffic as well. So on your screens we have the ambulances, we have the entire convoy of the Home Minister inside the hospital. Exclusive shots in fact of the Home Minister reaching in as we speak. In fact, Navika, very serious situation also emerging from the account of the eyewitnesses as well that we were able to speak earlier. The ambulance driver said that they were shocked. They'd never seen such excruciating visuals, such excruciating incidents of in fact
Kritika, we do understand the kind of shock that must have met in terms of the visuals at that time that the drivers had to deal with, but at the moment we're getting visuals of Health Minister as well as Union Home Minister arriving at the LNJP hospital where the injured have been taken. Home Minister going in to meet with the injured. We're getting those live visuals coming in. Some time back, the Home Minister did give a statement in which he said that all angles being investigated at the moment, and that would involve a terror angle being investigated. But the manner in which the explosion took place, the manner in which the I-20 car has been identified where the explosion took place, and the number of cars around it, the auto rickshaw, the e-rickshaws that were damaged, clearly shows it was a powerful explosion that took place. The death toll is also indicating the fact that it was a powerful explosive that was used. At the moment, Home Minister Amit Shah at the LNJP hospital to meet with the injured and the family members. Clearly important time when this entire incident has taken place. Marriage season around the corner, Chandni Chowk, busy shopping area. Red Fort was shut on a Monday. Probably the death toll lower because it was shut. Some relief there, but clearly an explosion that leaves many questions, and these questions really do raise a lot of gaps that will need to be filled by the investigation.